Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we are exposing three shocking mistakes that might be stealthily delivering your path to polyglot glory. Intrigued? You should be. Have you ever wondered how learning another language could transform your life? One of the biggest mistakes that people make is procrastinating and waiting for the perfect time to start learning another language. But here's the thing, there is no perfect time to start. The best time to start is right now. I know that it can be easy to put off learning a new language, especially if you are busy with work, school, or family. But the longer you wait, the harder it will be to get started, and you'll be missing out on all the benefits of learning another language. So, if you are serious about learning another language, I urge you to stop waiting for the perfect time and start today. Even if you can only spare 15 minutes a day, that's still better than nothing. Another big mistake that people make is overlooking the importance of consistency and regular practice. When it comes to learning a new language, it's not about cramming everything in at once, it's about making steady progress over time. The best way to do this is to set aside some time each day to practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing in your target language. Even if it's just for 15 or 20 minutes, it will make a big difference in the long run. Finally, some people make the mistake of focusing too much on grammar and not enough on communication. While grammar is important, it's not the most important thing. The most important thing is to be able to communicate effectively in your target language. Guess what? I have a challenge for you. Get ready for an adventure that will take you on a linguistic scavenger hunt around your town or city. Your task is to find items or places that have names or labels in the language you are learning. Could be a restaurant, street sign, a product at the grocery store, anything. The catch? You have to take a picture or video of it and then try to pronounce the name correctly. The goal here is to not only practice your pronunciation but also to see how language is used in real life situations. It's a fun and interactive way to connect your language learning with the world around you. We want to see what you discover on your scavenger hunt. Post your comments below and share your language learning adventure with the community. So there you have it, language warriors. Three shocking mistakes you might be making and how to overcome them. Remember, it's never too late to start. Consistency is your best friend, and communication is the ultimate goal. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more language learning content, and let us know in the comments your language learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!